Aircraft carriers have specific procedures and equipment to facilitate the landing and launching of planes at night, which is often considered more challenging than daytime operations. Here's how it's typically done. Nighttime aircraft landings. First deck lighting. Aircraft carriers are equipped with a series of specially designed lights on the flight deck, including the Fresnel lens optical landing system, or mirror landing system, known as the mirror or lens system. These lights help guide pilots during their approach and landing. 2. Lighted glide slope indicators. The mirror landing system includes lighted glide slope indicators that show the pilot whether they are approaching at the correct angle for a safe landing. 3. Aircraft lights. The aircraft itself has specific lights to help the landing process, such as the meatball, an amber light on the carrier's stern, and the cutters, a set of lights that mark the correct lineup. 4. Communication. Carrier-based aircraft have radios and instruments to communicate with the carrier's air boss and landing signal officers, LSOs, who provide guidance to pilots during the approach and landing. 5. Wave off and bolter. If the pilot is not in the correct position or on the correct glide path, they may receive orders to wave off, which means they should abort the landing attempt. A bolter is when the aircraft misses the arresting wires on the deck and must go around for another attempt. Nighttime aircraft launch. 1. Catapult launch. Aircraft are launched from the carrier's deck using catapults, which are equipped with launch bars or shuttle systems. The catapult accelerates the aircraft to the required takeoff speed. At night, the deck is illuminated to assist the launch. 2. Takeoff equipment. Carrier-based aircraft often use specialized equipment like catapult bridle and shuttle to connect the aircraft to the catapult before the launch. 3. Communication. Carrier flight deck personnel and the pilot communicate to ensure the aircraft is ready for takeoff. The pilot receives clearance to release the brakes and launch. 4. Deck crew signals. Deck crew members use a series of hand and flag signals to communicate with pilots during the launch process. 5. Aircraft lights. The aircraft may use afterburners or other lighting systems to help with takeoff visibility. 6. Assistance for catapult shots. At night, the deck is equipped with additional lighting, and the shooter, the person responsible for launching the aircraft, coordinates the launch carefully, ensuring the aircraft is safely aligned and ready. Nighttime operations on aircraft carriers require well-trained flight deck crews, pilots, and specialized equipment to maintain safety and effectiveness. Carriers are equipped with advanced technology to make these operations as safe and efficient as possible, even in low visibility conditions.